Thinking of signing up for OKX but not sure if it's the right exchange for you? Don't worry, I got you covered with our 3-minute guide all about OKX. Plus, stay tuned until the end for our exclusive Every Bit Helps OKX sign-up offer. Hi there, for everyone that doesn't know me, my name's Brittany, and in this video I will explain what is OKX and is it safe to use, OKX features and how it differentiates from other platforms, plus how you can get a 10k OKX mystery box. OKX is a crypto trading platform and here you can buy, sell and trade crypto. It was founded in 2017. They used to be called OKEX and the X stood for exchange, but they did a rebrand and cancelled that out. It supports over 343 different cryptocurrencies, and this is quite a lot considering other platforms offer a lot less. So this expresses a wider opportunity to trade. It has never been hacked and the site has never been down since its launch in 2017. It serves over 20 million users in over 180 different international markets. Not to mention, OKX is the main sponsor for the Formula One team McLaren, and it is also the main partner of Manchester City Football Club. In my opinion, it's pretty user-friendly, as it's great for beginners and experienced crypto traders. They also have an app in the App Store with an excellent rating of 4.8, and you know how savage people can be on reviews. Now let's move on to the features. OKX Wallet, previously known as MetaX, could be considered your entry point into Web3, the Metaverse, and DeFi. OKX Wallet is a self-custody wallet, where you can easily store crypto and NFTs. Swap crypto with an inbuilt DEX, mint and trade NFTs, and connect to dApps. Unfortunately, OKX is not available in the US. However, it does have a sister platform called OKCoin, which has less supported crypto and not as many features. Another great feature about OKX is that you can earn 10% APY on your stablecoins such as USDT. You can also earn 5% on your long-term holding coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. These features still allow you to capitalize on your hodls even in a bear market. They even have their own token called OKB, which gives you access to their platform Jumpstart, which is one of OKX's special features. It is used to calculate and pay trading fees, and it allows users to have governance and voting within the platform. There are also rewards offered to people who hold on to OKB. OKX also has its own NFT Marketplace. It's a one-stop NFT decentralized market where you can create and trade NFTs across different chains and platforms. If you think OKX is the right platform for you and you're keen to sign up, we've put our exclusive link in the summary box down below. That can give users up to a 10k mystery box, plus 20% off all your trading fees. If you want to find out even more about OKX, head to our full beginners tutorial. And I hope that you enjoyed the video today. If you did, drop us a like and hit the subscribe button, and head over to our website everybithelps.io for more tips, tricks, reviews and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you guys in the next one.